Don't pause. Press play. Don't pause. Press play. Don't pause. Press play. Don't pause. Don't pause. Press play. 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 Don't pause. Press play. What you got to say? Press play. Press play. I wanna hear what you got to say.
Press play. Not since Cloud Factory V1 have I focused an entire refresh on just performance, which in all honesty, for most traditional games, I'm okay with. Where this doesn't exactly hold up, however, is VR, something I've been enjoying more and more over the past year, and when you add in the occasional gameplay footage I like to capture, and how I've been wanting to get into streaming, a 6th gen Core i5 simply was not going to cut it anymore, despite being overclocked. So, what was going to cut it? A Ryzen 5 5600X, chosen mainly because $430 was already a lot for me to spend on a CPU, and the extra 2 to 10 cores that a Ryzen 7 or a Ryzen 9 CPU would have given me were unlikely to result in any noticeable improvement in gaming or the light streaming and recording. As for the motherboard, I originally wanted to go with an X570 board, but eventually decided to save $50 and go with a high-end B550 board instead. In hindsight, I should have stuck with X570, specifically for the extra USB ports, as I now have about 10 USB cables going into Cloud Factory. But the MSI Mag Tomahawk B550 is certainly no slouch of a board. 2 M.2 slots, capable VRMs, and all at a reasonable price, with a look that fits a factory interior beautifully. And finally, upgrading the RAM to 32GB, well, honestly, pretty overkill, should hopefully future-proof the system going forward. Also, about 30% of the motivation to upgrade was the RGB lighting. So that's Cloud Factory V4. And while I didn't show it, I also have a 1TB SATA SSD alongside my 3TB hard drive for games. Overall, I'm incredibly happy with this upgrade. My CPU has gone from 100% to 30% usage in Valorant, and I can play Beat Saber with all the mods that I want. I'm also incredibly excited to actually be able to stream VR content. So thank you all so much for watching. These are by far my favorite videos of the year to make, and I'm already planning V5. But until that time comes, this current Cloud Factory will still steadfastly be pumping out those precious frames. I'll catch you all again next time.